Welcome to the Jack and Jack Show, the #1 alternative to doing something useful with your life.
I'm Ginger.
We've got a competition and some cats. Why are you Ginger?
Well, I have ginger disease, which could have been caused by one of these 3 symptoms: sleeping with cows, looking good in women's clothing, and dyeing my hair for attention, which I couldn't dye back.
Cat update!
This is the cat update.
The cat update. They grew fluffy tails.
Yeah, they did actually.
Fluffy
It's
tails.
kind of hard to show. Oh my god!
Fluffy tail in your face. And this one looks like a Korean dictator because of his weird little face.
Yes.
They're the cats. Go be free, Willow. Be nice to your animals. Especially you in the blue socks.
Jack, why have you suddenly got a sonic screwdriver?
I got it for £20 from Hamleys in London. Yay!
Ha 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 ha! My name is Winston and I'm back! As you can see, I have grown a mustache, and I'm here to play you another song. Mr. Hand, play the song. Dirty Harry by the Gorillas. Mr. Hart, would you mind stopping the music? Ha 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 ha! Ha! Jack and Jack, I killed them! Ha ha ha!
Don't worry, we're still alive.
Ah!
Now some of you may be wondering why I'm holding this Matt Smith mask. Now it's time to tell you about our brilliant competition.
Right, the best comment ever wins this mask.
Right. You can pretend you're the 11th Doctor, like I am.
Yay, because we all love that guy. And the people that'll be judging this is Callum Mackenzie,
Ellie Hopley, Laurie Butler, myself and Jack.
This is a goodbye from Jack and Jack.
We hope you had as much fun watching this video as we had making it, because then your expectations won't be too high.
Bye.
Blood! Help! Help! No. No. You know, these record companies lie to you. They're not record companies, are they?
No.
These dye people lie to you all the time.
Yeah, I was meant to be brown.
My shoes make me sound like I'm making rude noise.
Dirty Hand by the Gorillas.